In this video, it can be seen that people are standing at the signal waiting for the green light. Everything seems normal, and no one has the slightest idea of what is about to happen. Suddenly, a car appears at high speed, and after going out of control, violently crashes into the two people standing there. Later, it is revealed that the car driver was fleeing from the police, which is why he was overspeeding. This incident teaches us that if we ever commit a traffic violation, we should calmly stop and pay the fine instead of running away and putting our own lives and the lives of others in danger. In this video, it can be seen that a car is moving ahead at a normal speed. When the vehicles in front apply their brakes, the car driver has not maintained a safe distance. As a result, even though he applies the brakes, they are not effective in time. He then turns slightly to the left in an attempt to save the car, but a truck is coming from the opposite side and the car crashes into it badly. This is why, whenever we are driving on the road, we should always maintain a safe distance so that we can avoid such accidents and stay safe. In this video, everything appears completely normal, as you can see, but within just a few moments, something goes wrong. In the very next moment, a car comes speeding in, suddenly goes out of control, and crashes into a tent set up on the side of the road, where a person is also present. The reason for the accident has not been determined yet, but we should always avoid overspeeding. In this video, it can be seen that there is a pole in the middle of the road, and a light has been installed on it to keep it visible. The light is continuously blinking so that it can be seen from a distance, and people are aware that something is placed in the middle of the road. Despite all this, a rider approaches while lost in his thoughts and crashes straight into the pole. Whenever you are on the road, stay fully focused, because anything can happen anytime, anywhere. In this dashcam footage, it can be seen that two cars are approaching from the front, and both drivers have the same goal, to get ahead first. Because of this mistake, one of the cars tries to overtake aggressively and ends up crashing into the middle road partition. So please do not race on the roads and always drive carefully. It's better to be a little late than to put your life at risk. Stay safe and thanks for watching.